Friction. The resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. We need friction, slowing things down, adding a slight stop to everything. Without this, probably nothing would be possible, just like nothing would happen without gravity. All objects moves with constant velocity. Velocity is the speed of something in a given direction. While moving, the object will soon to be stopped by friction. We all know what friction is, but did you know there are different types of friction? There are 4 different types: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. Static friction is a type of friction that acts on an object when they are resting on an object. An example is if you're walking on the sidewalk. There is static friction between your shoes and the concrete every time you put your foot down. The next type of friction is sliding friction. Sliding friction is a friction that acts on an object when they're sliding over a surface. An example of this type of friction is when you're writing with a pencil. The pencil lead easily slides across your paper. The third type of friction is rolling friction. Rolling friction is the type of friction that acts on objects when they're rolling over a surface, and this friction is much weaker than sliding or static friction. For example, you use rolling friction when you're riding a bike, driving in a car, riding a four-wheeler, etc. The last friction is fluid friction. Fluid friction is a type of friction that acts on an object that are moving through a fluid. A fluid is a substance that can flow and take the shape of its container. A way of experiencing fluid friction is when you try to push your hand through the water in a tub or pool. In a car, it is a need to wear a seatbelt. Why? Because it stops your body from flying everywhere if the vehicle is moving in fast motion or braking fast. Friction helps cars to slow down. Without it, there would be car accidents 24/7 because everything would move and never ever stop. Everything, everybody, everywhere needs friction to live. If we didn't have friction, we would just be going everywhere and be able to do nothing. Like I said, nothing would be possible without friction. It'll probably leave the earth exploding, but no worries, the world would never stop having friction. Even though we have advantages from friction, there are also, of course, some disadvantages. Friction can cause forest fires by the rubbing of trees together due to wind causing friction, which leads then to a forest fire. Friction can also cause rope burn, carpet burn, etc. because the skin is roughly rubbed against a surface.